to instantly withdraw money from an ATM using CIBC in 2025. Follow these steps. First, ensure you have a CIBC debit card and a valid personal identification number. Start by locating a CIBC ATM. You can use the CIBC website or mobile app to find the nearest one. Once you have found an ATM, insert your debit card into the card reader and enter your PIN when prompted. Next, select the language of your choice and then choose the withdrawal option from the menu. You will be asked to select the account you want to withdraw from, such as your checking or savings account. After selecting the account, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure to check your account balance before making a withdrawal to avoid any insufficient funds. Errors. Once you have entered the amount, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. If everything is in order, confirm the transaction and the ATM will dispense the cash. Finally, take your card and cash, and make sure to keep your receipt for your records. It is also a good idea to check your account balance after the withdrawal to ensure the transaction was processed correctly. It is also important to note that daily withdrawal limits apply, and these limits may vary depending on your account type and the ATM you are using. You can check your daily withdrawal limit by logging into your CIBC online banking or mobile app. By following these steps, you can instantly withdraw money from a CIBC ATM. Always keep your debit card and PIN secure, and be mindful of your account balance and daily withdrawal limits to avoid any issues.